Welcome to the sleep lab. Dawn breathes pale light through curtains at Down House. A quiet desk waits, smelling of paper and damp earth. Charles Darwin sits listening to sparrows, heart heavy. Today, science rests. Today, a father prepares for loss, trembling between notebooks and prayer alone, quietly, inwardly breathing. Fire crackles softly. Emma moves slowly upstairs, grief wrapped in shawls and silence. The house remembers children's footsteps, chalk dust, laughter. Now, little Annie's room holds stillness. Charles fears the void love leaves when nature feels cruel, unanswering, larger than any theory he once trusted, deeply fragile tonight inside him. He opens his diary, pages worn like river stones. Ink pauses as breath falters. Annie's illness had lingered, scarlet fever stealing warmth day by day. Observation once soothed him. Today, recording pain feels treacherous, yet he writes, because memory resists vanishing, because love demands witness always gently, honestly here now. Outside, the garden waits. Worms turn soil. Petals fall, seasons keep promises without mercy. Darwin knows this rhythm intimately. He studied life's branching patience. But knowledge offers little shelter tonight. How can selection explain a child's absence? How can chance cradle a father's shattered hope alone, breathing slowly, softly there? Emma's faith once warmed him like lamplight. His own beliefs drifted, shaped by fossils and finches. Now he envies her prayers. The diary blurs. Tears spot margins. He wonders whether truth must always hurt, whether understanding nature requires surrendering comfort when sorrow arrives uninvited, unexpectedly. Today again within his chest. Doctors had spoken gently, uncertain, powerless. Darwin recorded symptoms carefully, hoping patterns might help. Yet science could not bargain with fever. Holding Annie's cooling hand, he felt hypotheses dissolve. Here lay the limit of method. Love cannot be measured. Loss cannot be predicted fully tonight by any mind or rule. Night deepens. Candlelight flickers like a nervous thought. He listens to clocks, each tick a small departure. Downstairs, servants whisper. Upstairs, silence reigns. Charles feels time stretching cruelly, as if evolution itself pauses, observing him, noting this private extinction within a family circle of grief and enduring memory tonight alone. His children sleep elsewhere, unaware yet. He dreads morning explanations. How to speak of death simply. As a naturalist, he traced origins patiently. As a father, he fears endings. He writes again, promising himself honesty, vowing never to hide suffering behind clever words or comforting phrases ever again here tonight. Memory drifts backward, Annie laughing, asking questions, loving stories. She adored beetles and shells, tiny wonders. Darwin taught her gently, kneeling beside paths. Now, those lessons ache. Evolution explains continuity, not consolation. He mourns the unrecorded future she carried quietly within her small bright hands and open eyes forever lost. By midnight, exhaustion settles. The diary closes. Grief hums like low wind through corridors. Darwin breathes, accepts helplessness for now. He does not renounce inquiry. He simply rests, allowing sorrow to exist without explanation, honoring a child beyond analysis tonight, in still darkness and private love enduring softly within him. From this quiet rupture, questions later grow. Loss sharpens Darwin's attention to fragility. Life persists, yet individual lives vanish. He would study barnacles, orchids, pigeons, seeing tenderness within variation. Annie's absence becomes a silent companion, reminding him that adaptation occurs amid pain and love shared through time, patiently enduring always. When he writes of natural selection, struggle sounds harsh. Yet he also describes cooperation, dependence, care. Observing earthworms, he notices persistence, quiet labor shaping soil. Science matures with compassion. The diary's grief deepens his voice, softening certainty, inviting humility into explanation for future readers and students everywhere later on Earth. Years pass, beards grow, books appear, yet Annie remains present between lines. Darwin learns that survival includes mourning. Species change, hearts remember. In understanding extinction, he honors individuality. Each life, however brief, influences the whole, like a star guiding sailors after setting quietly across dark waters of time and thought. The origin will speak of branching trees, endless forms most beautiful. Beneath those words, a father's ache persists. Science does not erase sorrow, it frames it. Knowing life's laws allows gentler living. Darwin's loss teaches readers to hold wonder with care and kindness toward all fragile beings sharing Earth together. In the garden, seasons continue. Children grow, then leave. Earthworms turn soil faithfully. Darwin walks paths older, quieter. He senses Annie in birdsong, in petals falling. Grief becomes texture, not weight. Curiosity returns, carrying tenderness learned through unbearable absence within daily work and patient observation of nature everywhere around him. Science advances through attention and patience. Sorrow teaches the same. Darwin's method grows humane, attentive to limits. He learns to say, "We do not know." This humility strengthens truth. The cosmos feels vast, yet each child's life matters immeasurably within families and histories of care shared across generations, softly remembered. Listening now, we share this room. Breath slows. We feel the scientist's ache, the father's love. Discovery is human, shaped by nights like this. Knowledge carries fingerprints of tears. Understanding grows kinder when we remember the costs hidden behind breakthroughs and private losses endured silently by curious minds throughout history. The stars above Down House burn steadily, indifferent yet inspiring. Evolution stretches beyond grief. Still, meaning arises locally, in love. Darwin's work bridges scales, from worms to galaxies, from one child's life to life's endless unfolding across deep time, and shared wonder felt quietly tonight together by us all here. As sleep approaches, let sorrow soften. Let curiosity rest gently. Remember Darwin not only as thinker, but as grieving parent. His diary teaches balance. Observe carefully, love fiercely, accept mystery. In that balance, peace hums, like night insects outside the window listening patiently through dark hours until dreams arrive softly. Welcome to the Sleep Lab's closing hush. Carry this story inward. Loss and discovery intertwine. From a child's brief life, understanding deepened. May we study the world tenderly, honoring each moment. Breathe slowly, release the day, and drift beneath shared stars together in quiet trust and gentle wonder tonight always. If this journey into the quiet corners of discovery brought you peace, please consider subscribing to the Sleep Lab. It helps us continue exploring and gently reminds you to wonder.